Hi there and welcome to the Ukestuff channel and welcome to this unboxing video. I always want to say that because there are some people that really don't like unboxing videos and I want to make sure that they know that so they can skip ahead to another video. This is a way for me to show you what's coming in the future on this channel. Now, what I'm about to unbox is a Kalane ukulele. It is a company in Hawaii that imports these instruments. They are made out of either solid acacia or solid top acacia, and they sent me two instruments previously, one to keep and one to give away to a student. I have also recently filmed a update on how that Koa Kalani did here in Wisconsin / Minnesota through again, a traditionally dry winter. So look for that video as a hint. It did pretty well. Now, this is the instrument we're going to open today. So let's open this and see what's there. All right. And here we go. So here you go. It comes in a light gig bag, probably 3 millimeters of padding, zipper on the front pouch, not a huge pocket there, single strap on the side, and of course a zipper that goes all the way around, which is nice because you can get to it. And here is the instrument. I believe this is the solid concert Acacia model, and you can see that it has the inlay of the Koa Kalane logo in there. You can see the Koa Kalane in the sound hole. It says that it comes with Aquila strings, and you have your turtle inlays on it. All right, so let's do a quick tune-up, and I'll just let you hear it from where it's at right now. All right, here we go. Yeah, just getting used to playing this one. Looking at it really quickly, looks like the action is okay. We'll do a full measurement on action later when we do the full review. It has that wonderful neck. The profile on these Koa Kalane necks is just wonderful, slim and thin. You do have one single side position marker like a kamaka, and then of course you have front side position markers. And take a look at that pretty acacia wood. And again, I believe this is the solid acacia concert model. All right, watch for this one in a full uKuide review in the weeks that are coming. My thanks to Koa Kalane for sending this ukulele and another, and one of those for certain is going to go to one of my students as well. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll be back soon with some more uke stuff for you.